Hello, my name is Noah Brear, and this is my bad bank. This is the landing page, and it has the icon and a welcome message, and it's accessed by here at the home page. Then there's the create account feature, where I can enter my name, my email address, and a password. And then it will bring you to a success page, and if I do not put anything in for this, it'll say an error or an email error or a password error. And if the password is too short, it will tell me that I need to have it be longer. Then I can go to the deposit and I can deposit, we'll say 90, change. I can, if I don't enter anything, there's an error. If I enter a negative value, there's an error. And then I can withdraw. If I withdraw, it will change the balance. And then I can also, if I enter no value, it will show an error. A negative value, there will be an error. And drawing too much will show an error. Now that I have 0 here, this is the all data page. There's 100, 100, and 0. Now the biggest challenges I encountered in this project was getting the login page to work, where um, it would always revert back to the first person. In this case, it would be able@mit.edu. To settle this, I added an extra parameter, the current user index, which will then allow me to switch between all of the different users within it. Um, some of the biggest changes I made to the starter code were to add a bootstrap card to each individual page. This made it so that it was a pretty setup, and it also allowed me to I used the create account form first, the create account card, which allowed me to take away whatever I didn't need. Um, and then I also did not use any of the validation. I just created individual errors for each, which allowed me to save a lot of time and space in the actual coding. As for forms, I did not feel the need to make one. All of these cards and forms were pretty simple without making a form component itself. Some extra features that I added were to create a login page where if I, for instance, want to change from this one into this one, I can just come into here, type in my email and my password, in, and now I have $100, which is the balance of the other account that I had. Um, After doing so, the current user index is incremented to the current one, and then I can, this allows me to edit the balances of this account and not these ones, and also to select the correct account. I also created a balance page, which only shows the current balance, and it has no way to change it on it. It's very simple, and it's just to show the user what their balance is without feeling that they're accidentally going to click on something. Finally, I changed the input fields on the deposit and withdrawal forms so that they are numerical, and that I can use this up or down key for each, and also it does not allow for characters to be entered. Thank you, and have a nice day.